Hey friend, my name is Sami. I'm a first year medical student. So today I'm going to show you my notes taking system in Notion. This is very simple note taking system. This is the modified template version of Thomas Frank. He is a very expert in making templates of Notion. He is a very nerd in Notion. This was his free Notion template that I modified and made it my note taking system for med school. This is literally very simple. In this note taking system, I have arranged all of the subjects. There are like 6 subjects. I have arranged them. Then throughout the notes, I'm using toggle feature. Then using some bullet points and plugging images from lectures that I am watching. So let's go to screen straightforwardly and let me show you how this note taking system looks like and how it works. So the free template version of this will be in video description. Just let me brief how you can use it. So this is the note taking system. This is very simple. Everybody can use it, and this, I think, the more simpler the thing is, the more productive it is. So most of the students have made very complex templates that are literally very hard to use. You will install it, but after 3 to 4 days you will not even bother to open it. Yes, these are hard. So brain demands very easy work, like using very low ATPs, few ATPs actually. And then so the notes taking system is literally, this is whole the notes taking system. So I have added syllabus here so that I could not have to go to mobile phone. Then I eventually get into scrolling some social media. That's why I have added here just for my ease. And we will go a little bit after it. So here is the whole overview of these templates. First of all, let's talk about notes, how we're going to take. So in embryology, I have taken tons of notes. We have studied so far these chapters. That's why I've just taken these chapters. So my habit is that I watch lectures and then I plug some images and then some bullet points I added. So you can see these are the, like, I have made it pages in database. This is actually a database. I have added these pages in databases, and then here you go. If we click on early stages, so you will see I'm using the toggle feature throughout my note. So in introduction, I have just plugged the images that I screenshot when I was watching lecture. Here you go. After there, then in central enigma, I have added some bullet points that I retrieved from lecture. Like the professor was saying something and then I added bullet points. This is literally very easy to use. You can just click on here, and then for example here just click the / and then add bullet, write bullet. Here you will find, and then you can write whatever you like. So this is literally very easy to use. I have tried to add very short notes so that if I forget the concept or the most useful information from lecture, then I can come here, just go through it and learn what I had added at when I was watching lecture, so that my concept refreshes and all the information gets recalled. That's why this is literally a very simple. Here in early stages of development, I have added all the images. Then in positional information, I have added the lectures, because on lecture slides there was like high yield points, so I did not bother to write them just to minimize my time. To become more productive, I just added the screenshots. I'm using Greenshot as a tool. Greenshot is very easy to use. Just click print screen, and here you go, full capture whole screen, and then just copy to clipboard. And here in Notion, what you can do is just Control V. So this is a screenshot here like this. I hope you will get it. This is how I am taking the screenshot. You will be bothering. This is very hard to use, snipping tool and all that too. Greenshot is absolutely free. The link will be in your description. You can use it. So after this, I have arranged all the subjects now. So in notes, I'm using 3 kinds of categories that highlights either my topic is weak, or I haven't studied, or maybe it's weak. For example, if it's like I know, then I will put go done in front of it, and then if I haven't studied yet, then I will put didn't study. Then there is like a clue. When I will look at these notes, I can just go through the notes that I haven't studied and those that are weak. This is like a system. This is just sort of system that you get in and you start working on it. So the one thing that I forgot to tell you that so far I have spent like 2 months-ish in medical school, so that's why I haven't made it a very complex. So you will see all these type of things in other subjects, like in histology. In this blood module exam, I had 2 chapters to cover. That's why I just wrote it down here, lymphoid, histology and blood. So as we will progress out, I will be adding as we will go through. So in order to sort these notes, like the newest should appear on the top. That's I'm using the sort one filter that is the created, and this is showing in ascending order. So the newest that I will create will appear on the top. I think it's move. Let me create again. For example, here it's ascending order. So this is the sorting route. So let's go to dashboard, and I see you a very cool feature that is quick notes. So what you can do if you are watching if you're using cell phone, so you just want to put a sort of reminder that if you open laptop, you will see here the quick note section that you have studied that, and you need to just add some sort of points. Or if you had it already, then what, maybe for example I was studying cardiovascular, and what I can categorize, maybe it belongs to anatomy, then I will add here, and then I will make some sort of bullet point. If I can write on mobile phone, like it would be easier. Otherwise, for example, let's make some sort of like heart, and then maybe heart, and then circulation. In circulation we can write like in circulation we can write the pulmonary, and then the systemic circulation. So in this way, when I will come on my laptop, then I can convert these into toggle feature, and then I will plug some sort of, maybe if I had slides, then I can plug these here. And if you really want to continue in this way, that would be great. But if you want to make some sort of notes in this way, for example, just add toggle features in mobile phone, that it is hard, and here you go, this is circulation. So in circulation you can use sub toggle feature, and in here you can write pulmonary, and then systemic. Now when you will come on laptop, here you can do just in pulmonary circulation, just like screenshot some sort of thing. Like here, for example, I added this, copy this screenshot, and then add it here. Here you go. If powerful, like then hide pulmonary. So just the major purpose of using toggle feature is that it is well organized and easy to use. There is not such a lot of mess. Whatever the heading we want to study, we can just untoggle it, and we can see what is written under it. So this was just a quick demo, and then here we had got an overview. This is the most important section. Here you can see all of your activity, what you had done and what you were doing. For example, whatever I have written here, maybe in quick notes I have a cardiovascular, it will like a sort of history. It will show this is maybe your history, what you can see everything at one place. For example, in embryology I have like these are the link databases that has been linked from the original databases that I have shown you on the left side there, where we have added my subjects. For example, I forgot to tell you one thing, that is you can add new subject here, and you can like give it a heading, whatever you want to, maybe rename it, and here you go. For example, rename it and add maybe pharmacology, although that is not our subject in first year, but I have added, and you can start taking notes here. For example, just delete it, and here you can add your new note. For example, maybe what is drug, and in drug I can make sort of you can give it an icon, but I don't like it at this time. Here you can use toggle feature and add so many sort of headings. Well, for example, let's write in a professional way, what is drug, and then uses, misuses, then chemistry, what would be a chemistry, famous drugs, maybe roots of drugs, and then they can be a lot. I haven't studied, but you can add whatever you like. So this is how you can take notes in this simple, very simple note taking system. Now here I can categorize in a more professional and amazing way. This was just a quick overview of my simple note taking system, but as I will progress in medical school, I will make it go very complex. Like I'm going to add some sort of timetable, and then I have added some activity called calendar that I really don't want to discuss at this time, but I will be making it a more professional and little bit complex with time, so that I can understand it, I can use it. Don't fall in trap by using some complex note taking system. Just start with small and add just add a little bit daily, and then you will see a big empire that will be built over time. I hope this would have helped you. The link to this template will be in video description. You can duplicate it on your Notion workspace as I will. So as I will progress, I will update you regarding how I'm updating this, and so that you can make necessary changes in your own database. So in upcoming videos, I'm going to tell you how to use Enki and as well as Notion as your biggest tool in your medical school, so that there should be a very great learning. Although there are tons of YouTubers have made videos, I will try to give you a complete guide from start to like the advanced level. So keep with me on this journey, subscribe to this channel, and if you have enjoyed this video, then give it a thumb. So see you in next video. Till bye bye.